Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Spatial Angel Head Unit 8.0 or real system spatial for Hyundai code 28 to 2012. Yes, okay, here is a box. Let me open the box. You can check. Head unit with the good condition. This is head unit. Let me show the harness at first. You can check this special harness for Honda. This is radio antenna. Okay. This is connected to head unit. There are some cables. Let me show you can. Let me show the connector. Okay. Okay, you can check a code 8 power cable. Honda a code 8 power cable. Okay. This connector. Okay, with this audio cable, AUX in, okay, come with GPS antenna. External microphone. It's 2 USB cable and external microphone. Two USB cable. It's video input. And the AUX left and right. Okay. This is camera input. Okay. This audio cable subwoofer. Okay. And video out 1 and video out 2. Okay. Audio cable front, rear, left and right. Okay. And this cable, AUX. Okay. And come with this part. You can check. This part come with the head unit. And let me check the back. Okay. Let me show the head unit. This is a special head unit for code 8. Let me take out the plastic. Okay, this is drum agent. You can check head unit. It's 10.1 inch. You can check this GPS card slot. And the back. This keys you can check. Okay. And the other side. With this key. The back. And this is panel. Okay, you can check. Okay, let me show this radio port, Wi-Fi antenna, connector, fuse, power cable, GPS. Okay, let me power head unit. With 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit started up and take out this screw protector. And 10.1 inch. Okay, it's turned on. It's buttons, a microphone, and GPS. This reset hole, GPS card slot. Okay. Let me check. This is fast response octa-core. Can install wallpaper. Back button. This is the wallpaper. Back the home. You can check already installed. Fast response. Built-in Wi-Fi system. About motion, you can check model is PX5 octa-core. Version is Android 0 Oreo system. Okay, that's all. Thank you.